in your life, people will also carry you. So when I went there, the Lord gave me some messages. And the first message that came is Sister Rita. They said you will pray because they will feed you with dream. They will feed you with dream. And that will not go well with your enemy's body. And they will continue to be until you resist this. And the Lord showed me when we were climbing a ladder. But the ladder is not firm. You are climbing but the ladder is shaking. And because of the shaking of the ladder, you got afraid and you decided to come down from the ladder. And I am asking in the name of the Spirit, I said, why are you coming down? He said, I go fall. I go fall. And I said, who told you you will fall? I said, that is just a distraction. And you told me you will try again. I said, what of if the opportunity for you to try again is not here? What am I saying? If you are discouraged of the challenges you see, if you lose hope because of the challenges you see, it will take a long time for that correction to be made. Don't mind the shaking of the ladder. Make up the mind and say, if you like, shake and you will get to the top. While I was doing that, talking to you, I saw a cloud of glory upon me. And God said, I will have mercy on you. But he said, you must climb the ladder. For this glory to be seen upon your life, you must climb the ladder to the top. Praise the Lord. You must go back and climb the ladder again. I saw a man holding a padlock and doing some incantation. I began to fight with this man. I began to drag the padlock from the hand of this man. The man was holding this long. At the time, the hand turned to be like iron hand that for me to open that iron was difficult. And I began to pray. I said, you must let her go. You must let her go. You must let her go. And the man is saying, no, come and take the key, let me see. And the man is saying, no, come and take the key. If only you can collect the key, then she will be free. And I turned my back against him. And I began to pray. I began to pray. I began to pray. I heard a noise behind me. When I turned back, the man fell. The same hand just got born. And while the hand was born, the key, because I don't know what happened there. I saw that the key was like they hit the key out of the man's hand, and the hand began to burn. And when I come to my right, I saw the key and I picked the key. But I said, God, how can I open this thing? I mean, the padlock without the key. And the Lord showed me a broom. And when I took that broom, I was looking at the broom. And the boy said, put it in that hole. And I put ordinary broom in that hole. And it looked as if I took the opening side of the key. And the key shook off. Hallelujah! And the boy said, you are free. But you must climb it. That ladder is a test to know your faith. If shakings come in the process of where God is taking you to, can you stand? Nothing that can take you there. Expressly without you going to stop, you will see something that will discourage you. I give that message again. I remember there was a time I was talking to the people. The new people here, you know this, those of you who when I told you about this, the pot of life. Amen. Yeah. If you that story taught me many things. Many years ago, I watched it about 20 or 25 years ago. But it's still in my brain. When the girl was going for the pot of life, the girl never turned. There are so many things in that desert, in that bush, that brought fear to her. But she did not turn, because they told her if you turn, you die. Until she got to the pot of life, she did not turn. Those things are distraction. The same thing I am telling you. If you allow distraction on you, sister, I don't want our crying, our prayers to be in vain. Let it not be that we are just shouting because we want to shout. Let us shout to get a trophy. The Lord said, be strong, my daughter. Be strong, my daughter. Praise the Lord. Pray against disappointment. I'll tell you this later. I will not say it. But pray against disappointment. I don't know. But I pray I don't forget this message. Because I'm just hearing this. Immediately we close. Please, don't play with your God. Don't allow anything to distract you. Last Sunday, the Lord spoke to you. Today, the Lord is still speaking to you. Hallelujah. Another person I